New phones are great. Trams are great. I don't know if you can tell here, but I'm having a good day. Super keen for this. Been wanting to give the Pixel a go for a while now, and what better way to unbox it than Casey Neistat style. Let's see if I damaged it. Yo, this phone is so beautiful. Let's see what else is in the box. I don't know if you can tell, but this cable is super thick, super stiff. This is unnecessary at this point. Man, this looks so good. Also, is this magic? The back is plastic, the sides are metal, it has a nice weight to it. This speaker is very deep. I'm going to fast forward through the setting up. The setup took so long, it took like 20 minutes. So the processor is slower than most flagships, but the camera is supposed to be better. I'm really keen for the camera. From what I've tested so far, it looks so nice. I'll be doing a full review, so give me a follow if you'd like to see more. But so far, I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun with macro mode. How? So far, my favorite features are camera, wireless charging, and Gemini is super powered.